Do you want to know how to make money watching videos online in realistic ways? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and one of the topics or methods most people keep asking me about is how to earn by watching videos, and many people have asked me to do an updated video about the newest and the best ways to do that, and therefore I decided to record this video where I will show you 8 legit methods that actually do work, and I will also talk a little bit about all the fake claims because there's a lot of scam sites you need to stay away from. So before we go over the 8 legit ways that I know you can earn by watching videos online, let's talk a little bit about what you can earn, because this is one of the earning methods that most people keep asking me about, how to earn by watching videos. And the reality is most people do it with the wrong expectations. They believe some of these platforms that regularly pop up that claim that you will earn $1, 50 cents, whatever for watching 10 seconds of a video, as long as you just pay a couple of $1,000s to them. And those platforms, they will always end up closing down after a few months when they have scammed enough people. And it's just not realistic. You will not earn like that. And there's also a lot of YouTube videos that claim like, oh, make $800 a day watching videos. But that's just clickbait. They're just doing it for the views. They've never actually tested the sites themselves. They're just saying whatever can get them views. So be careful about believing that. When it comes to watching videos online, yes, it can be an entertaining way to earn, but it will not make you a lot of money. In fact, it is a very ineffective way to earn online, even when you use the most effective ways to do it. So if you are mainly online to make money the most effective way, then I would suggest that you definitely also make sure to use other options. I will also leave links below to some other options you can check out. But if you really like watching videos and have plenty of time, then these methods are the best realistic ways you can earn by watching videos. It's not a prioritized list because which options are the best for you really depends on your preferences. You can use as few or as many of them as you want to. So let's now get to the list. So the first option I want to show is called Timebox, and this is a get paid to site you can join from basically all countries. And once you're inside, you can go to the earn menu. You cannot as such find an earning method called videos. You need to go to this content section, and that's how it is as of recording this video. Sometimes for all of these platforms, they change things around a little bit, but if you click around, you can find it, and then you can earn by watching small ads or ad videos, and then you will earn. But you should definitely make sure to also use some of the other earning options Timebox offers, because just by watching the videos you will not earn a lot. But when you then earn $10, you can get paid in cash via PayPal or bank transfer, via Wise, or you can get paid in crypto, and per year it has a lot of great payout options. The next option is a little bit unusual, and this is called Media Rewards, because how it works is that you just install the app and then you have it running in the background. You don't even have to watch videos on your phone. It's just because it kind of measures your media exposure, because this is used for market research, and then you will earn by doing that. Just be aware that you cannot join in all countries. You can currently only join in these countries, and they do not always accept members in all of them, but it can be a passive way to earn a little bit, because you actually don't have to do anything active. You can just have it on while you watch TV or listen to the radio or whatever, and then earn a little bit by doing that. The next option is called Price Rebel, and this is one of my favorite get paid to sites because it gives a lot of different ways to earn. You can also earn by watching videos. It used to have a section called videos, but now you have to go to the offer wall section and find the videos on one of the offer walls there. So just be aware of that. That's again how it is as of recording this video. Sometimes they do change things around a little bit. But again, you won't earn a lot by watching videos, so make sure to also use some of the other earning options it offers, like surveys and paid offers. And then you only need to earn $5 to get paid, and you can get paid in cash via PayPal, or you can also take your earnings out as gift cards from many different shops or stores depending on the country you live in. The next option is another really popular get paid to site called Swagbucks, and you can also join this from more or less all countries, but it gives the most earning opportunities if you live in the US, UK, Canada, Australia, Germany, France, Spain or Ireland. But you can also join and earn from other countries. Just be aware that the video earning option is not available in all countries, but in general it offers a lot of different ways to earn, and when you can get paid depends on the country you live in. In some countries you only need to earn like $2-3 $3 to take your earnings out as a gift card, but in general it is often around $5 to get paid in cash via PayPal, for example. It also offers Payoneer in some countries, and then a lot of different gift cards. And this is one of the platforms also where you will get a joining bonus if you join through an invitation link. I'll leave my links below, or links to all these options below, so you can find the different options easily, and some of them, as mentioned, will give an extra joining bonus if you join through those links as well. And at the same time, it supports me, and I would definitely appreciate that support. The next option is Permission.io, and this is only relevant if you're interested in crypto, but then you can install it in your browser, and every time you do a search, a small video ad will pop up. Sometimes it's like 10-20 seconds you have to watch it, and then you will earn the Ask cryptocurrency, as it's called. It's a cryptocurrency with actually real value, and it does pay decently for the videos you watch. It can of course be annoying when you search that it pops up with ads, but at the same time, if you want to watch videos, this can be a different way to earn by doing it. And I kind of find it interesting. It's still fairly new and being developed a lot, so I don't know where it will end up, but it can be a way that is different than some of the others to earn by watching videos. Next we have MyPoints, which is another get paid to site with a lot of different ways to earn. Just be aware that this one you can only join if you live in the US or Canada, but you can also earn by using the app. And if you want to earn by watching videos, I would definitely recommend you use the app, because that's just easier to do it that way. You can get your earnings out when you've earned around $5. It depends on your chosen payout option, but it offers a lot of different gift cards and also to pay in cash via PayPal. However, the main earning method on MyPoints is the cashback offers. It has a lot of cashback offers, so it's mainly relevant if you ever shop online and want to use some of these cashback options, because just watching the videos alone will not give you a lot. The next is SuperPayMe, another get paid to site. You can join from more or less all countries. It has a lot of different ways to earn, a lot of paid service, a lot of paid offers, and on some of the offer walls you can find videos you can earn by watching also. Again, make sure to also use some of the other earning methods. But one great thing about SuperPayMe is that you only need to earn $1 to get paid via PayPal. You can also get paid in crypto and via Wise, and sometimes also gift cards. And you even get a 20-cent joining bonus, so you're very close to the payout threshold right from the start. The last option I wanted to show you is called Reward XP, and this is a get paid to site you can join, again, from more or less all countries, and it gives quite good rewards for the different offers it has here. You can earn by playing games, taking paid service, taking paid offers, and it also has quite a lot of videos you can watch here and earn by doing that. But I again would suggest you also use some of the other earning options, because just watching the videos alone will not give you huge earnings. And you can then get paid once you've just earned $5. Sometimes it offers cash payments, other times like a lot of different gift cards and also crypto. That does change once in a while, but overall also a really great get paid to site. So these are the best realistic ways to earn by watching videos in my experience. And I have tested hundreds of different ways to make money online. And I often get the question, how can I make really big money by watching videos online? And that's just not possible. I'm sorry to say so, but it would of course be great if you could make a full-time income by watching videos, but it's not how it works. These are the best realistic methods, and if you think that gives too low pay for the time, well then you should not earn by watching videos. I'm just telling you straight how it is. Sometimes people get upset by that because they want me to show how to make big money by watching videos, but I can't, because there's no legit way to do that. The platforms that claim huge earnings by doing that, if you pay a fee and all that, they will just end up scamming you. But all of these platforms, I've been paid by them myself. I know they're realistic and legit, and if you combine it with some of the other earning methods, it can give some quite decent money, but you should make sure to also use some of the other earning methods. And I will leave links below to more about these platforms so you can easily get started with the ones you want to get started with. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.